Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my subject, mathematics. So kindly let's all stand up. Mr. Romero, please lead the prayer. Dear Lord, Amen. Before you take your seats, kindly pick up some pieces of paper under your chairs, and you may take your seats. So before we proceed to our main lesson for this morning, I will group you into two groups. In this left side will be the group A, and in this right side will be the group B. Each group will have a group leader, and group leader can write it down those students who are absent today. So let's proceed now. So I have here two columns. In column A are the operation of mathematical expression, and in column B are the corresponding answers of each expression. So all you have to do is solve each expression in column A so that you can find the answer in column B. Okay, are you done? So let's see if you get the correct answer. You can see on the screen the correct answer in each expression. Okay, who get the perfect score? 6. And who get the 1? Okay, very good. There's no 1. So how did you solve the operation in mathematical expression? Okay, and what does parentheses stand for? Very good. So we solved the operation in mathematical expression by following the operation order of PEMDAS, which stands for parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so I have a question. Where do we usually hear the word substitution? Okay, anyone? From the back? Yes? Basketball. How about the others? Volleyball. And how about the others? Okay. Another. Okay. So for example, in basketball, how do we substitute a player? Okay, that's very good. So today we will be having an activity called Submit E. So I have here an alphabetical letters from A to Z and their corresponding value from 1 to 26 respectively. So all you have to do is find the equivalent value of the words by substituting the numerical value of each letter, and once you get the numerical value of each letter, you have to add it all. Okay, so let's proceed to our example number 1. So number 1 is the word search. So the word search is composed of the letters S, E, A, R, C, H. So what are the equivalent, or what are the numerical value of each letter respectively? So 19 plus 5 plus 6 plus 18 for the R plus 3 for the C plus H or plus 8. So once you get the all numerical value of each letter, you need to add it all. So the equivalent value of the word search is 54. So did you get it, class? Okay, very good. So who would like to try the example number 2, which is the word incredible? Okay, yes, miss. So what is your answer? Okay, let's see if you get the correct answer. The answer is 81. Okay, very good. And how about the number 3? Example, the word top. Okay, who would like to try? Okay, what is your answer? Let's see if you get the correct answer. 71. Okay, very good. And how about the last word? The word is memory. So who will try the last word? What is your answer? Okay, let's see. So the answer is 80. So does everyone get the same answers? Okay, very good. So what did we do in our activity? Okay, so how did we evaluate the equation? And what is the next step? Okay, very cool. So always remember when a number is replaced or substituted by a value in a given expression or in a given algebraic expression, the expression takes a numerical value. And finding the numerical value or finding the value is what we call evaluating algebraic expression. So that it means that in evaluating algebraic expression, all you have to do is replace or substitute a number in the variable or the letters. Okay, did you get it? Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, so let's proceed to another example. So, example is evaluate 3x squared plus 3 when letter A, x is equals to 0, letter B, x is equal to negative 2, and letter C is equals to 1/2. So in letter A, how do we evaluate? What should we do first? Okay, that's correct. So can someone show us how to evaluate or substitute the value of x in the given equation? Okay, that's correct. So next is, what is the next step? So apply the rules of Hempdas. So, okay, so the answer is 3, that's correct. So let's proceed to letter B. How about in letter B? Who will try? Okay, so when x is equals to negative 2, so by following our steps, so what is your answer? Okay, the answer is 15. And how about in letter C? When x is equals to 1/2, who will try? Okay, very good. The answer is, what is the answer? Okay, so always remember when your answer is in a fraction form, always simplify it in lowest term. Okay? So, did you get it, class? So, I have a question. So, how did we evaluate algebraic expression? How did we evaluate algebraic expression? So, okay, very good. Okay, so now you already know how to evaluate algebraic expression. So let's proceed to our group activity. So since that you have already grouped into 2 groups, and you have already a group leader, so the group leader will come to me and I will tell how to do this group activity. So group leader will give a task to each member or divide the task. So he or she will be the one to give you the task in each member. So for you to able to get the score, you will have a rubric that we need to follow. So this rubric is called Cooperative Learning Rubric. So the highest point is the 5 points, which is the excellent, and the next is the 3 points, which is the acceptable, and the 1 point is the medium one. Okay, so group leader, you can come here in the front to get your activity envelope. So after that, you can pass as long as you finish it earlier. Okay, this one is for you, group A and group B. Okay, so time's up. So since both groups already passed their answers, can we get 1/2 crosswise? Let's have an activity individual. So